Good morning, everybody. Today we speak a little bit of French because today a friend of mine, Mac Horace, sent me. Who is a French? He's a French man, beautiful man. He sent me this link to get this Minerva challenge update. I think they're having like a challenge or something. But if you go to the site Kitbash 3D, they make some really high end, incredible medwa and assets. They are beautiful, but damn, it's expensive. You pay a little bit of cash for them things. But over here, if you go to Minerva, I'll leave the link. You get some really loud music, and then it takes you to the site, which is cool. Check this out. You get these complete assets for free. I highly recommend you go get them. Look at it. It's beautiful. Damn, beautiful assets. Damn, look at these things. So these are incredible. Look at how beautiful these assets are. And you can get all of these. Look at that beautiful architecture. These are beautiful. Man, you get some incredible detailed assets here. And the beauty of these things is you can, once you get these, you can choose what software you want. Max, Blender, Cinema Fatwa, FBX, Houdini, Maya, Unreal Engine. Not too sure why this is there, but this is. Anyway, if we take Unreal Engine, you take native as the renderer, and you can choose 4K assets. You download, you put them into your project, and they're in. You can use them, and they are gorgeous. So once again, thank you very much to Mac-Roi. Love you very much. Thank you. One day we have a tea, a coffee, and a croissant, and I can teach you a little bit of French, no? No. Once again, download these because I think this is a cool way to start like an Unreal project. Maybe this is a nice introduction to, downloading, importing these assets, and start using them inside of an Unreal project. Maybe a nice ease into it. My French is terrible there. But I'm pretty fluent. You can hear it. I'm pretty fluent. Hello. Right, so download these and maybe we do a project with this. Set it up, put together a nice little scene. It's a nice introduction to Unreal 5. And once again, thank you, Minerva. Download them. They're awesome, guys. They're damn cool. And you can check out the site. Everything that they do is just wow, man. Wow. They make incredible assets. And obviously, you can check out all the other kits. They are pretty pricey. But they are beautiful. They are really beautiful. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope this helps. Go get them assets. They're free. Go get them assets. And speak to you guys later. I'll leave the link in the thingy mobby below. Okay? Okay. Au revoir.